in terms of trade tensions between U.S. and China, if you look at Alibaba's revenue exposure to the U.S., it's actually pretty small. It's only low single digits at this point in time. And also Alibaba management recently stated on their earnings call they are complying to all U.S. policies and regulations. So they don't seem to be very concerned about that specifically. And also some of the recent tension in India specifically, that if you look at it, they closed down their UC web operations there, also have minimal impact. So far, U.S. and China tension, as far as Baba's concerned, revenue exposure is pretty small and the impact is very limited in our view.
Okay, the whole world is also watching the Ant Group IPO as well. I mean, to what extent is all this optimism over Ant, the euphoria over Ant, going to give a lift to Baba stock as a result?
Yeah, absolutely. I think Ant Financial, if you look at it, especially Alipay, the payment system, has become a very important distribution channel for Alibaba. Services such as e-commerce and also for food delivery. So, for example, if you look at last quarter, 45% of the food delivery customers came from the Ant Financial platform. So this really helped Alibaba itself to be competitive at its scale of the payment business, reduce their customer acquisition costs, and also gain operating leverage. And at the same time, this really also helped Alipay or Ant Financial in terms of use case, transitioning from only a payment system to a lifestyle app where it gets high frequency of usage. So in that terms, a win-win situation. And obviously, with Alibaba owning about 30% plus of Ant Financial, and with the upcoming IPO, that certainly lift the valuation for Alibaba as well.
James, we have already seen the stock rise in anticipation of these listings, and it makes me wonder that really how much more upside could there be to Alibaba if and when this Ant Financial listing goes off successfully?
Yeah, that's a very good question, right? A lot of press reports indicate that Ant Financial valuation may be somewhere around $225 billion US dollars to 250. So maybe that potentially adds about 75 billion market cap to Alibaba. So that's potentially 10% of Alibaba's market cap. So it's a little bit, it's quite a bit of move up if you're looking at some of the valuation parameters that people have been talking about recently.